Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe. And if you are coming back, hey Jhb gang, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. And also guys, please don't forget to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below. So guys, I know I know I've been away guys, but you know what, I don't even wanna bore you like Ben explain about doing. But all that matters is that I am back now, right? That's all that matters. I am back today with a maintenance vlog. So I'll be doing my hair, my nails, my lashes, and a bit of unboxing here and there. So I hope you enjoy the video guys. Please let me know what you think. Now I always enjoy maintenance vlogs, so that's why in Dizenza, because it's one of the things I enjoy watching on YouTube. So please just let me know what you think. And yes, I am doing this intro after I have done everything, like I think 2 weeks later, because the intro that I did at the beginning of the vlog, no honey, it's just not introing. And as you can see, my skin is looking much better now as when this vlog started. Otherwise, what else? Yeah, let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna start by washing my hair. You guys know that I prefer washing my hair at home, but then because I can't do wig lines, I'll have to go to the salon for the wig lines. Otherwise, I'm gonna start by washing my hair here, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Yo guys, it's so today I'm gonna wash my hair. You guys know that I prefer to wash my hair at home because I have afro, and most salons, they don't know how to deal with afro. Like, they literally don't know. So I undid my, I had twisted my hair, so I undid those twists. And last night sana tengazuthetha bored sana bored, but yeah, ndizikhululile izolo. And today I'm gonna wash my hair, and also I have a nail appointment today. So my appointment is at 2. The time now is 12, so I need to rush a bit. So I'm gonna bath, and then I'm gonna wash my hair, and I think I also need to shave, and then I can go to my nail appointment. So yeah, without wasting any more of your time, let's get into that. So guys, this is what I use to shave. I use hair, and yeah.
Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't want to lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know. But it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Just tell me louder if you're loving me. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me. Can I tell you what I need? Can I
just came. Okay. Sure. Guys, so I am off to do my nails. I am so late. I'm just taking a minute just to update you guys on what's happening, because yeah, I didn't speak to you the day I came from doing my nails. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home, like show you the nails properly, but now I am going to do my nails, and not my nails, my lashes. And Sana, it's my first time doing lashes, so wish me luck. And I don't know the directions, I don't know where I am going, so yeah, let me rush there, because I just told the lady that I am already at this camp and I'm just close by. I was not there already, so yeah, let's go.
Wood.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So yesterday I couldn't talk to you guys when I came back from doing my lashes, because when I got home, load shedding just hit and I was also very tired. I just went straight to sleep and I didn't wake up after that. So yeah, it's the following day today, and I just want to show you guys my nails because I didn't really show you properly. So this is the set that I got. I hope you can see them like clearly. It's just these French tips and I love them. Oh, excuse me guys, I just drank water, so now I'm burping a lot. But now about these nails, my nail tech didn't get the exact shape that I wanted. I'm gonna insert a picture so that you guys can see like the picture that I showed him. Like I wanted square, like I wanted them to be like very square, because this shape doesn't complement my nails, because I have not my nails, my fingers. It doesn't complement my fingers because I have very long, like I have very long and thin fingers, so that's why I wanted that shape. But okay, I'm not really mad at them, but I am also not crazy about them because it's not what I wanted. Yeah, that's all. I was trying a new nail tech and yeah, I love his work. I wanted a nail tech that is closer to me because the last lady that I did my nails on is in Bramfontein, so I wanted someone closer. Yeah, that's all. And also I went for my lashes, as you guys saw. Okay, let me check if this phone is still recording, Sana, because I can talk and talk and talk and I guys. Okay. Okay, it's recording. So guys, I went to do my lashes yesterday and it was my first time doing lashes, so I just told the lash tech that I want camera, guys. Literally, I don't know why. Let me look at you. I told her that and the phone doesn't overwhelm her because it's my first time, so I chose this classic lash set. It's called Classic Lashes. So yeah, they are simple and they look very natural. Like they look really natural and I really love them. Now the thing about these lashes, I'm sure but they fall off very quickly because they are very few, because they are meant to look as natural as possible. So I'm sure I'll have to go for a feel maybe in the next 2 weeks. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Otherwise, this is how they look. Let me give you guys a close up. I hope you can see them properly. I really love them. I'm gonna leave the details in the description box, so in case you also want to go and do your thing, whatever. But yeah, that's it about yesterday. So now I need to go and do my wig lines probably on Friday. Today is Wednesday, and I had to quickly do this hairstyle for a campaign, for an Instagram campaign, because I was shooting some content for an Instagram campaign. So yeah, and also guys, I wanted to show you this package that I got yesterday from Herbalife. So I just wanted to open this with you guys. So this is the box. Sana. Oh no. Ndoni ngokucho. And when you open, there's this thingy, and then there's also a receipt. So this is what I got. I ordered this Herbalife tea because I am in my instant herbal beverage, which I got the peach flavor. I usually get the lemon flavor. I got the peach flavor, so it's gonna be my first time trying this. So yeah, I'm really excited about this, Sana, because I am in my wellness era. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So today I went and I did my hair, as you guys saw, and yeah, we have done almost everything for this vlog. Nails done, lashes done, and hair done, and that's on period. The only thing that is left for me to do is my wig. I just need to install my wig and then I will be all good. But I don't think I'm gonna do that with you guys, because it's phone, like it won't allow me, because I'm also shooting another vlog. So yeah, but that is all I wanted to show you anyway for this vlog. I did my wig lines. So guys, there's this other salon that I went to yesterday to inquire about their prices for wig lines. Bang, 200 for wig lines. Daqona never baby. So today I went and looked for another salon and I did this for 60 rands. Imagine, Sana, the difference. Yo, there's new salons yatura. But yeah guys, but before I close off this vlog, I just want to show you guys what I got from Take a Lot. This package that I got from Take It Easy. So let's just do that, and then I can close off the vlog. the vloggy. I'm trying to open the box easy, and then this is how it looks on the inside. Okay. Ooh. Okay guys, so I ordered this hot comb. I hope it works. I ordered this hot comb from Take a Lot and the waxing stick. Like, this is literally what I need for me to be able to install my wig, because I'm gonna install my own wig. This is the waxing stick, and then this is the hot comb. High heat gold ceramic professional comb. Sana, I just hope yasebenza. Yayibona nje yonke into. You better work. Oh Jesus. Okay guys, so I managed to open this. This is how it looks when you open the box. Ooh. Okay, I hope you guys can see. Okay, so this is how it looks, and then it has this other comb that you can just insert here. Otherwise, you're Lena. Okay. I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited. Kunindai hot comb, and I hope it works. And also I got this vitamin C serum, and I also got the day cream. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Now, one thing I need to work on, guys, is my skin, because my skin is going through the most. Literally, I need to get the collagen pills that I was using, zinphelele. So yeah, I need to go to Discam and get those, and then just hope sizobuyela back as time goes on to how it normally looks, because now my skin is not like this, guys. I look like very dark, but it's understandable because I was home. So kansekhaya nje ndichalanga nyani, like it's ba wrong with skin sam. So I'm just gonna work on my skin, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed. I always enjoy watching e-maintenance vlogs, so that's why I would like bandizenza even more. But please just let me know if you enjoy them, so that I can keep creating more of them. Or yeah, just let me know what you think, and I will see you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you on my next video. I feel like I'm repeating myself but I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye. Mwah.